Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you know you are new and you've not subscribed, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. If there's anything you want to ask or anything you want to say, make sure you mention it to the comment section. I'll be watching out for it. Now, let's take a look at this GBP/USD for this week, right? One of the reasons why we had this movement, bullish move, was a drop on DXY last week. You can see that last week DXY actually dropped hard, right? It's dropped like crazy. One of the reasons was, there was an increase in interest rates, and out of that FOMC statement, they were like saying, okay, it may only one more time an increase in interest rates will be made before they start cutting down on interest rates, right? Due to the bank charge crisis and everything. So this is one of the reasons why a lot of investors are having hope and everything that there will be a cut in interest rate and every other thing. So DXY literally drop. I mean, if you pay attention to the fundamental aspect, you will know why there was a drop on that Wednesday. I mean, if you're not paying attention to that fundamental, you need to actually start doing that. So there was a drop on DXY. This is one of the reasons why GBP/US actually went bullish. So if this bullish move over, definitely not. So we will be expecting more bullish move, probably to take out a level of 1.24142. That is what I'll be watching out for. If we don't take it out, if we don't take out this level this week, then we sit in next 2 weeks. Let's say 2 weeks time. In 2 weeks time, we're going to take out a level of 1.24. Around in a level of 1.24. That is the level I'll be watching out for. So we'll be expecting a bullish move right on GBP USD. But first, a correction is actually playing out, right? I know one question you'll be asking, is this correction over? Well, possibly, probably yes, probably no, because one thing I'm seeing is that there's very much likely another drop will play out till it starts this 20 period simple moving average before it starts going bullish. I personally would love to take a trade on GBP USD, but I will only take this trade if it gives me a certain movement. That is, if it comes down to tap this resistance level here. This is the 4 hour time frame. So if eventually this GBP USD drop to tap this level of 1.21, if this GBP USD can go bullish a bit, because I expect it to go bullish a bit, then one more drop will be made to a level of 1.21, then I will consider taking a buy on GBP USD, because I feel there's a trap playing out here whereby price will start pushing out, then a lot of traders will start jumping in, taking the buy. All of a sudden, there's going to be a good amount of a drop, take out a lot of stop loss before it starts riding on. So basically, I'll be waiting for this level to take a buy. So if in case price starts giving us that bullish move without dropping, I have no problem. I will start on this trade, right? If price actually start going bullish, then I have no problem. It is okay. You can go ahead and take that bullish buy. Me, I will not. I'll look for other better trades to actually take. So that is what I am watching out for. If price can come to this resistance level, to this 4 hour time frame, right? Then I can consider taking a buy, because what I'm seeing is that one more drop is very, very much likely to play out before we start going bullish. So you need to be very, very careful before you start taking your buy on GBP USD. So that is it. Now, to those of you that are actually having problem in growing up your account, you are blowing up your account, right? You need a better trade, right? I have a solution for that, and that solution is this channel, this Patreon channel. I'm going to put a link in the comment section. So check the comment section. You click on the link, you sign up. We also sign up, you get high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Not just any trade, but quality trade. Setup, good setup is what I'll be sharing, right? So once you sign up, I wanted to give it a try for a month, because one of this trade that I'm really good at, and one of the setup that I would love to give out is Nasdaq 100, US 30, S&P 500, gold, and natural gas. Once I get a good setup, I'm going to share it on this channel. So if in case you're interested, why don't you just give it a try for just a month, right? You'll get good probability trade. And if you would love to trade GBP USD, you can come into my DM, ask me questions, and I'll be able to solve it for you. And I'll tell you what should be the entry points, and every time I'll give you my opinion about that, so you can go ahead and take this trade. So back to this my analysis. Like I said, I'll be expecting GBP USD to actually go up, right? Like I said, before it actually drop. So at least this movement, I just spot it now. It will want to look like an head and shoulder pattern. You can see it here. Draw, as you can see it. You see that's why I said one more bullish move before another drop. Once this drop can come to this resistance level, I personally will look to take a buy because I would not want to fall for this trap whereby GBP will start going bullish, everybody will start dropping. All of a sudden, a massive drop will come out to take a lot of traders. So I'll set up a limit order. Yeah, once it comes, it is I'm going long on GBP, and if it does not and it starts going up, I have no problem. Then another opportunity is going to play out right. It is better you miss a trade than to take a trade and lose on it. That is it. I always tell myself, better you miss a particular trade than for you to take that trade and you lose on it. So basically, this is the setup. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, by the way, check out this channel. The link is in the comment section.